Hi guys, this is our Deluxe Balcony Suite on board the MSC Virtuosa in Yacht Club. Right, where do we start? This is the bedroom part. You've got a light either side of the bed. Underneath, on each side, you've got a USB. Yep. Drawers either side of the bed as well. And you have a sofa there that turns into a room of the bed. If you wanted more people in the room, you can. And this side, you have a full length mirror over there.
Look at the new boat going, look. Just an added bonus.
We'll jump straight to the balcony. And
we'll just jump straight to the balcony to see that going past. We're still in Southampton at the minute.
This is our view currently. As you can see down there, you've got the Iona and you've got the Sky Princess down there. Just in front that you can't see, you've also got the Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas.
Yes, we walked past that, didn't we?
And that side that you can just about make out is the P&O Ventura. And this is our balcony. You get 2 chairs and a table. It's quite a wide balcony.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's go back into the inside. You have plenty of power points, both American, European and USBs. Plenty of drawers. In this one you have your Yacht Club laundry services and your hairdryer. In here you've got plenty of storage, 3 drawers. And here's your minibar. It's complimentary on board the Yacht Club, and they come and refill it every day.
You just tell them what you want.
Yeah. You got all sorts in there.
And when we was in Yacht Club, he was telling us what to do. Oh, he was so lovely. He said, if you want to empty the minibar, that's no problem. I'll fill it for you in the morning.
You've got your complimentary water up there. Your coffee machine. All the supplies for that are in here.
This is insane. I drink a lot of coffee, but that is a lot of
You've got
coffee.
your teas, coffees, milks.
Sugars.
I don't know if there's breakfast teas, chamomile,
Espresso mugs.
Little Grey, all sorts there. Yorkshire tea. Then in the bottom one, you got your stuff, your drinks. You got cocktail nuts, Pringles, again complimentary. Plus all your wine glasses and cups that you need.
You've also put in the request of the bottle you want.
Yes, you get to request a bottle. We've requested a bottle of Jack Daniels. That will arrive at some point.
So it's one of those, and you've gone for the Jack Daniels, haven't you? Because that's what you like.
Yep.
So yeah, and that's free as well. That's included in your Yacht Club.
Yep. It's 1 bottle per sailing.
Yes.
Yep.
Not per person either, which is a shame because I don't like JDs.
So again, you've got your USB port under here. You've got your lights literally there. Here's your climate control. You have 2 little buttons, you do not disturb, and you make the room up. So you don't have to hang any little things on the door or anything. You also have your key card goes in here, powers up everything. Then in here, you have complimentary slippers. You got your shoe bag, shoe horn, shoe brush, plenty of hangers.
Loads of hangers.
Yeah. There's plenty of space. You've also got some shelves on the other side here. With your safe. It's not the biggest safe, but you'd fit your phones and any jewellery or anything like that, and passports, that sort of stuff. Now into the bathroom. You have your Yacht Club embroidered bathrobes. Just watch the step as you step up into the here.
Bathrobes.
Everything in the Yacht Club has all got the Yacht Club symbol on. You have your body lotions, liquid soap, plenty of room to put any of your own toiletries. You've got cupboards down here, plenty of spare toilet roll, tissues, all that sort of stuff that you need. More Yacht Club stuff. You've got your towel.
So what's that? Hair balm, shower.
And here you've got shampoo, shower gel and hair balm.
It's a hair balm conditioner.
Yeah. Again, more space to put your own stuff. 2 shower heads, the one there, and also your rainfall. You also got the washing line there to hang all your stuff on from the pool and everything. Like I said, there are plenty of sockets.
I do apologise, my phone started going off.
You've got your phone there. You have your own butler. Ours is Sanjay. Just give him a call if you want anything at any point.
Bless.
Yeah.
And they all, oh my goodness.
They're all
We've
so
been here
friendly.
an hour, if that.
Yeah.
And everybody is just like so lovely.
Yeah.
So lovely.
So yes guys, this is our room on board the MSC Virtuosa in Yacht Club.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye.